Dear friend, everyone loves eating out, but with the rising prices at restaurants, we have all had to cut back. Wouldn't it be nice to save money by making your favorite restaurant dishes at home instead? Well, now you can with America's Restaurant Recipes. In this 2-volume cookbook, you'll discover the secret recipes for your family's favorite restaurant dishes. As seen on Fox News, Good Morning America, Home Shopping Network, ABC, NBC, People Magazine, and more. New York Times best-selling author Ron Douglas reveals the jealously guarded secret restaurant recipes that have been kept away from the public for years. With these easy-to-follow recipes, you are sure to wow your family and friends with meals that taste just like the Olive Garden, the Cheesecake Factory, Outback Steakhouse, P.F. Chang's, Red Lobster, KFC, and many more. Skip those long lines and enjoy these delicious dishes in your own kitchen. Now, for a limited time only, when you order America's Restaurant Recipes Volume 1, you'll get the Volume 2 cookbook for free. Act now to secure this buy one, get one special offer. Order now and spice up dinner time in your home.
Let's get started. This is an authentic Texas-style no-bean chili recipe that features beef chuck roast and classic chili spices. For a heartier flavor, slow cook this for up to 4 hours. 3 pounds boneless beef chuck roast, cut into 1-inch cubes. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 3 tablespoons chili powder. 2 teaspoons ground cumin. 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon dried oregano. 2 14 ounces canned beef broth, divided. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. Directions. In a large skillet, heat up the olive oil over medium-high heat. Add in the beef cubes and sauté them for 2 minutes. Reduce the heat to medium and stir in the garlic. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, combine the chili powder, cumin and the flour. Sprinkle the spices over the meat and stir until all of the beef is evenly coated with spices. Crumble the oregano over the meat and pour in 1½ cans of the beef broth. Add in the salt and the black pepper. Stir the chili mixture thoroughly and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat to low, cover partially, and let chili simmer for 90 minutes. Pour in remaining beef broth and simmer for another 30 minutes, until meat is fork tender and falls apart easily. Remove from heat and let cool. Cover and refrigerate to allow the flavors to blend. Greater than Texas Chili Recipes Best Horn Tootin' Texas Roadhouse Chili. This is a mouth-wateringly delicious spicy beanless chili recipe that is sure to have you hooping and a-hollerin' about how good it is. 3 tablespoons bacon drippings. 2 large onions, chopped. 8 pounds beef stew meat. 5 cloves garlic, finely chopped. 4 tablespoons ground red chili pepper. 4 tablespoons mild chili powder. 1 tablespoon ground cumin. 1/4 cup sweet Hungarian paprika. 1 teaspoon dried Mexican oregano. 3 10 ounces canned tomato sauce. 1 6 ounces canned tomato paste. 3 cups water. 2 tablespoons salt. 1/4 cup dried parsley, optional. 1 fresh jalapeno pepper. 1 cup masa harina flour. Directions. In a large heavy pot, melt the bacon drippings over medium heat. Add in the onions and sauté until they are tender. In a bowl, combine the beef, garlic, ground chili, chili powder and the cumin. Add to the meat mixture. Break up meat as it cooks, stirring occasionally. Cook for 30 minutes, until meat is very brown. Sprinkle on the paprika and oregano. Stir in the tomato sauce, tomato paste, water, salt, parsley and jalapeno. Bring to a boil, reduce heat to low and simmer, uncovered, for 1 hour. Stir in the masa harina and cook for an additional 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Greater than Texas Chili Recipes Texas Chili with Beans. This recipe is for those who like their Texas chili with beans. It's still just as good, even though not absolutely authentic. 2 pounds ground beef. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 3 tablespoons chili powder. 2 teaspoons ground cumin. 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon dried oregano. 2 14 ounces canned beef broth. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 3 15.5 ounces canned pinto beans, drained. Directions. In a large pot over medium heat, cook the beef until brown, drain, but keep 2 tablespoons of grease in the pan. In a small bowl, combine the garlic powder, chili powder, cumin and flour. Sprinkle this spice mixture over the meat and stir until the meat is evenly coated. Mix the oregano into the meat mixture. Add in the beef broth. Add salt and pepper. Bring to a boil. Stir in beans. Reduce heat to low and simmer for 30 minutes. The secret recipes for your favorite restaurant dishes have now been revealed in this best-selling new cookbook. Download now in the description below.